Hi again, everyone. It's Jenna Davis with Jenna Davis Homes and a Car Real Estate. We're ending our open house here out at the new construction in Ridge Creek Estates. Went really well. We had a few people through and they were super excited about what we had to offer out here. So I thought I'd give you a tour in case you weren't able to come by, and we'll certainly be open again. But these homes are move-in ready and we wanted to promote them as much as we could. So I'll get this turned around so you can see everything. This is our entry here. It's a split level. Hi, Melissa. There's our living room here, hallway, and then our beautiful kitchen and dining room on this side. And that door leads out to a really, really nice deck. You've got a center island here, farm sink, granite countertops, some extra storage over there. And we've got a really nice master in this house. You've got lots of extra storage here. You've got a higher end pergo floor in case you have pets or anything like that and you have some high traffic. This is our hall bath. This is our master suite, but I wanted to try and get to the shower, which is really nice. Sorry, the toilet lid's open there. But our shower, we skipped the tub altogether in this build, and it's a large walk-in, as you can see. It's fully tiled. And this is that picture that I posted a while back that had the really cool rain shower head and all of the different settings that you can do. So you've got granite in the bathroom here as well. You got a walk-in closet. Hi, Katrina. Thanks for watching. I always feel bad because we can only stay for so long. This is the bay window front. Now there's rock on the front of this house, which is really nice. This is a bright bedroom. And then you've also got your third bedroom here as well. Now I'm gonna try to go down the stairs and not fall down. But this is our front entry, which is nice. And so this split level is different from others in that it is turning to the side instead of two staircases that meet you just as you walk in. This is your family room. It's quite large, which is really nice. And then you've got your fourth bedroom here. All these rooms have a ceiling fan. They have upgraded trim, upgraded doors. Now this door right here is going to be your entry to the garage. You've got some understairs storage right there. We've got laundry here. You've got cabinets. Hi, Kelly. Good to see you. And Patrick. So this one's got granite counters here, which is really nice. And this added storage is cool. That's a nice add. And then you've got your fifth bedroom over here, which is also nice and bright. And your closet. So this is a true two-car garage, a separated car garage. So it's pretty large. And then you've got some extra storage to the side here. And then also your exit that goes out the back. And this is where your heating system and everything is. So if you weren't able to make it today, we have two houses ready out here at Ridge Creek Estates, ready for move-in. And this one has got 5 bedrooms and 3 baths. It's on Lexington. And then as you go around the corner this way is Alexandria, and it's going to be 4 bedroom, 2 bath. It's also custom. All really nice builds. That one is priced at $199,900 and it's move-in ready as well and has 4 bedrooms. So these are our new builds that we have ready. We've got others that have basements that are going to be ready here pretty soon in about a month. If you find that you're looking for new construction or just want to come out and take a look, let us know. You can private message me. Thanks for tuning in. Again, this is Jenna Davis with Jenna Davis Homes and a Car Real Estate. Thanks, everybody.